Yo, what's up guys? This is What a Funk Stories, and on this episode, I'm going to show you guys how to tie-dye some hats. So, we decided that the bleach dye hats like this one were going so well that we want to do some tie-dye hats as well with the same drippy logo on the front. So, we got the white hats right now, we got the dye, we're going to show you how we make them. We never made them before. This is our first time tie-dyeing hats, so we're going to try it out, see what happens. That's the fun about tie-dye. You never know what's going to happen. It's all about just going with the flow. So hope you guys like the video. If you do, like and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. So I got the hats all set up. Just laid them out on the floor. I'm just gonna take all the stickers off and get everything ready, and then I put some garbage bags on the floor just to keep them clean. So you need that, you need the hats, you need tie-dye, which was very hard to find because I feel like people are bored at home. So a lot of people were doing tie-dye when they were home. So I got as many as I could. I hope it's enough. So that's all you need, tie-dye and hats. And that's it, I think. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, so number one step is don't wear shoes when you do tie-dye because it's bad luck to wear shoes when you do tie-dye. But the first step is we're gonna use the hose or use your whatever you got. We're gonna wet these hats up, and then after that we're gonna dye them. I don't know how we're gonna dye them yet, but hopefully figure that out after I'm wetting them. So we'll see what goes on. Now you don't have to get them soaked, you just got to get them a little wet. Don't soak them. So get them a little wet. I might put a little bit more water because it's hot out today, so they might get dry by the time I finish wetting all of them. But there you go, that's all you got to do. So now the hats are all wet, they're all wet right now. Set everything up. Now you've got to put some water into this bottle of mix up to the line. Then you mix it around. I'm not going to show you guys that part because I gotta use the sink. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll show you guys what's going to happen next. You could just imagine me filling the water up to that line. I know it's like really exciting. I know you guys want to see it, but I'm not going to show you. Now the dye's all in here. Just got to shake it around, mix it up. The powder's on the bottom. Usually I shake it around before I fill it up all the way, which I should have done, but I forgot to. But here we go. Just gotta shake it up, get it ready, and then it's dyeing time. That's it. So we got a purplish blue, dark blue, we have a light blue right here, and then we have a green. And everything's all mixed up now, and the hats are wet, and now we're gonna dye it. I think we're gonna do green first, blue, and then the purplish blue next. So here goes nothing. Alright guys, so now that the dye is all set in the hats, now we have to wash out excess dye, just like this with the hose. And then we wash it out. After you wash out all the hats, the next step is to wash them in the washing machine, let them dry, and then from there I'll show you guys what they look like after. But right now this is what they look like, and then after their excess dye is washed out, this is what they look like. So these are the labels that are going to be going on the tie-dye hats, the new tie-dye hats. So we dyed these. Shout out to A&T. We did a little dye job. Just check and see if it holds up. It's not gonna look completely dyed. It's gonna be like a little tinted, little green tint to it, just to switch it up a little bit. Waiting for these to dry, then we're gonna sew them on the hats, and then the hats are done. Now that we got the hats all set up, the dye is all finished drying. We got the labels that we dyed as well, and they're done. We washed out the dye so they're a little bit faded looking, nice, match the hat. And now what we have to do is we're gonna pin all the labels to the hat like that, and then sew them, and then that's it, they're done. And we're gonna show you guys that process. Alright, so this is how we pin the labels on, just like this. One down the middle, and then two on the sides. Keep it straight from moving. And then after that, we sew the labels on. So that's the process. Got some of the hats right here, all pinned on, ready to get sewn. We do everything in an assembly line. Pin all the hats, then sew all the hats. Back in the studio right now. I got a few more hats to sew, and this is what they look like after they've been pinned. And then we're gonna throw them in the sewing machine, sew them up, and then the finished product looks like this right here. All finished, done up, distressed. What a funk. I didn't think of the name of this one yet, but I got a couple names in mind. I ain't gonna say it yet till get the website ready, but by the time you see this video, the website will be up, it'll be named. You probably might even own this hat by then and have it. So get ready. Turn the sewing machine on. Get everything ready. Get ready for this how to sew tutorial coming soon. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to sew. I'm not a very good teacher, but I'm gonna teach you guys anyway. So right now I got like 5 or 6 more. guys are excited. These are fun to make. I love making new stuff. It's fun. Hope you guys enjoy it too. I know you do. To the real What a Funk supporters, appreciate all of you. As always, gonna keep making new stuff constantly. Keep you guys excited. Alright guys, so this is the finished product right here. This is what it is right here. I'm gonna bring this outside, show you guys a little bit of better of a view, because you can't really get the whole feel inside. I'm bringing it outside. I gotta bring it outside. This is what the finished product looks like. The new What a Funk hats. You're probably going to see it on the website, but this is the finished product right here. And this is what it looks like on your head. It took a while to get done, you know. Each piece is handmade, hand-dyed, hand-sewn, labels on the front, all that. Each piece is unique, so that's the stress too. I mean, you can't get better than that, honestly. So I hope you guys are excited about these hats. I'm really excited. Favorite hat so far that we made, besides for the bleach ones as well. But this is what it looks like on the head. Has a buckle back, which is cool. Different than the regular strap backs. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys like the entire process of making these new What a Funk hats. It was really fun to make. If you liked the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We're trying to get more subscribers. That way we could start growing the channel more. But to get some of the options, we need to get more subscribers. So add us and we'll get you back.